Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Ria Manvari Greens near Makarda Bazaar beside Delhi Public School, Howrah. And you can see this is the actual apartment of 3 BHK at block number 1, 7D on the 7th floor. So we are standing on the 7th floor and you can see from the view from the balcony, excellent view, mind-blowing city view you can see. And just in front of you can see the road, metal road connects towards the National Highway 16, and this apartment is only 1.8 kilometer away from National Highway 6, which is Kolkata Chennai National Highway, and you can clearly see the National Highway from here. So those buildings are actually on the National Highway, so you can see that. So communication wise it's excellently placed, and Satragachi railway station is only 3.9 kilometer from this project. And now you can see this is the excellently airy living cum dining hall. And now we are coming towards the lobby space. So this is the lobby space, and on my left hand side this is the kitchen space. It's a beautiful kitchen space, rectangle shaped with L pattern countertop and very big size window. And just opposite to this kitchen space you can see this is the first bedroom. Excellent light, currently now 6 PM. Then also the sun is setting but light is excellent. And from this window you can see this is the main road, excellently connected from Howrah station and Satragachi station, and National Highway is just 1.8 kilometer. So now come and see. So outside this you can see this is the common toilet area. So this is the common toilet, and just opposite to that this is the master bedroom. So we are entering into the master bedroom and see the view of master bedroom. And this master bedroom is also having windows on both the side, and the size of this master bedroom is 12 feet by 13 feet in length, and with excellent view outside. And you can see this is the main entry of our project. So this is the entry of our project. This is the main entry gate of our project, and this is the sales office, site office, and this is the internal roads, and this is the external elevation of the buildings. And you can also see on entry this is the metal road. So now coming inside this room, the size is excellent and the light is also mind-blowing. And this is the attached toilet space with this master bedroom. And now come into the third bedroom. See the space of this third bedroom. Beautiful third bedroom with having windows on both the side again. And this bedroom is also having a view of the main entrance of the complex. Beautiful view from this window. This is the main entrance of the complex, and this side you can also see the internal roads of the project. And just beside that this is the Delhi Public School. So this building, yellow color building, is Delhi Public School, just adjacent to our project boundary. So excellently located project, and this is a ready to move in apartment of 3 BHK with 2 toilets, and we are having only single unit left of this size. So if you are interested, then please call us as early as possible, because we are offering some great pricing for very limited period. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.